I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we have a story about a snake was found hanging behind a picture frame in a Australian home. Someone called it a nice little carpet python. A snake handler carefully removed a carpet python that had curled itself around a Queensland, Australian resident's picture frame. Look how big this snake is. That's a big snake right there, right? An Australian resident new housemate was a snake that had slithered behind a picture frame hanging in their living room. This snake got, oh my goodness, look at this snake. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. In footage shared on Instagram by snake catching and reptile relocation group, Sunshine Coast Snake Catchers 24/7 hours a day. Okay, a Queensland resident learned that a carpet python had made its way into their home. The snake was the reason why their artwork had been tilted at an angle away from the wall. A zookeeper identified as Dan Rumsey explained in the clip. Rumsey saved the day by rescuing the serpent and stopping it from potentially harming itself or the home's humans. Look at this. This snake is literally behind the picture frame, right? And this picture frame looks like it's in the middle of the wall, right? So how did the snake climb up the wall, right? Or did it fall from the ceiling? Right, because like I said, this picture looks like it's right in the middle of the wall. So did the snake climb up the wall? Can snakes climb up walls? I know they could climb up trees, but they could climb up walls like that? I didn't know that. I live in Las Vegas. I don't think there's snakes out here. But my goodness, that's a pretty big snake. That's a huge picture, right? And you see when Mr. Dan Rumsey is carrying the snake, that looks like a good, 4, maybe 5 feet snake? That's a big one. I don't think it's venomous. I'm assuming it isn't venomous or anything like that. And it looks like a kind of a crazy job. There's a lot of paintings in that house. It looks like there's more paintings behind, two paintings behind them. So, I mean, I don't know how the snake got in the house and things like that. And how did it climb up the wall to get in the middle of the wall right behind a picture frame? That's just maddening. I can't imagine coming home to seeing something like that. But let me know your opinion of this story. Do you live in a city or a state where there's snakes and do you have stories like this, or is this like only in Australia? Like I said, I live in Las Vegas. I don't think I would come home to see something like this. I really hope not. But I'm Jason, the world is yours. Today we had a story about a snake was found hanging behind a picture frame in a Australian home. Someone called it a nice little carpet python. That is a big snake. That's a big snake. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button, and please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.